So for today, I'm going to show you how I do a digital product, the matching worksheets. So I'm starting with ChatGPT and to find 15 ideas on the worksheets that I can do. So I'll go to Canva and I'll type in animals. And the good thing about Canva is that there's a lot of templates that you can use. So I'm going to start by choosing my first animal, deer, fox, hippo, kangaroo, hedgehog. I think that's a hedgehog. I'm not sure. A tiger and a koala bear. And one of these is going to be eliminated because I wasn't counting when I clicked the animals. So make a guess which one will get eliminated in the end. So I'm just going to resize everything to fit into the worksheet. Zoom in. And I'm going to fit these animals into the little boxes. And on the right side will be the words of the animals. Next is the deer. I like how Canva has all these guidelines to help you to keep everything centralized. And we're done with 2 animals. But there's only 1 space. Who will be the last one? It's the tiger. Okay, now I'm going to add the text, the names of the animals, starting with fox. I'm going to search for the font, which is Comic Sans, the font that I will usually use when I do teaching aids for the children in my class. Here it is, Comic Sans, and I'm going to put in the words in the boxes. Increase the size. But here's where I realized that I should be putting the word of the longest animal name instead of the shortest. So I'm just going to change it to kangaroo. Copy and paste. I'm going to change the names. And as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.